This is the Princeton Open Ventilation Monitor project. I'm plugging one of the patient devices in, and we'll be watching the boot up sequence. Now on the main screen, I have the central monitoring station running. It's currently waiting for a device to show up. The device itself will be running a replay of a test with an artificial lung. The device is starting up. It's named Selfish Designer. Each box has a unique name. And there's a quick instruction there, and now it has started. Now up here in the main screen, you'll see it being discovered within 10 seconds. You'll see now that we have data coming in. You'll see that here. This is just one grid tile. There's an information box up here. If you just click on this, you'll get to see the details, both simple and advanced if you want, about the device. And now we can just go here and rename the box. I've already seen this before, so the old name was restored, but you can edit it wherever you see the title. Now, if you click on one of the grid tiles, you'll go into the drill down. This is a screen that shows more information about an individual device. You can just scale there. This is all of the measured quantities. We can bring up more information. We can freeze this if we want, just by clicking here, release it. Some modes and things. There's also a list on the far right of the different devices that you have. There's help here. You can look through the different helps dialogues and just click anywhere to close. Now you'll see in the drill down screen we have the alarm limits. They're drawn in red and blue here. The red is the limit, the blue is the current average. And we can just reach over to the box here and change one of these. I can also change this averaging window. You'll see that I can make that shorter and longer. And you'll see an alarm has gone off. I just press, and that silences the buzzer. And then you can see that this is over here in the showing up in the drill down. It tells you how long it's been off and what the limits are. So I can just go there and adjust this. I'm going to go to this pressure, and there we go. With a press turn, I was able to adjust the limit so that it's now back in range. There's a variety of other different options here that you can look at. There's this push turn to reset. You can just turn that all the way to reset everything on the box. There's also this hidden menu where you push turn to look through the different menu items, and these are the advanced items like the MAC address for the box. And you can also see that we can adjust this current setting, and that's just what it's averaging over to show you that display on the top here in this live screen. Okay. Going back to the main grid, you can see that we can add devices. I have simulations turned on, or the normal one will not be able to see this. And I can add a few simulation tiles here just to show you what it looks like. You can drag and drop between the tiles. Each one has a name it can remember. Each one has a unique name. You can also adjust the limits. If you just click on one of the limits here at the top, you can adjust the limits all at once and then either accept that or cancel it. You can go over here to this eye and you can remove either a simulation or a disconnected sensor. You cannot remove a sensor that is working. See, that's disabled. Cancel that. And so you can, again, just drag and drop these tiles around. And that's a look at the system. Thank you for watching.